Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the DJI Avata drone. So this is everything you get in the box with the DJI Avata Pro View combo. We've got our drone right here with our battery, our DJI Goggles 2 and our DJI Motion Controller. We've also got our charging dock for our battery and our cable for the drone battery, a spare set of props, the cables, a head strap and also the battery for our goggles, and we also get in the box some eyeglass frames too. The Avata is also available as a drone-only option, so if you've already got a pair of DJI goggles and a compatible controller, this option would be great for you. Or you can get the Fly Smart combo, which includes everything you saw before in the Pro View combo, but with these instead, the DJI FPV Goggles V2, rather than those newer, slightly smaller ones. Spec-wise, we have a 1/1.7 inch CMOS sensor, a fixed aperture at f2.8 and an ultra-wide angled field of view at 155 degrees. You can shoot single-shot JPEGs, 4K video up to 60 frames per second and Full HD video up to 120 frames per second. Your 4K 60 video will record at 150 megabytes per second, ensuring you're capturing all of that detail and leaving you with incredible looking footage. And with the added option of shooting in Cine Light color mode, it's just going to give you so much room to play around in post with your grading to really make your footage pop. We've also got DJI's electronic image stabilization, Rocksteady 2.0 and Horizon Steady, ensuring that you get ultra smooth footage even while you're diving and swooping all over the place. A maximum speed of 27 meters per second, which is roughly 60 miles per hour, and an 18-minute flight time. And let's not forget to mention Avata's new design, making this a much smaller, more compact, lightweight and easier to transport drone than the DJI FPV. And we've also got these built-in propeller guards, which just add to the drone's durability. In addition to the built-in propeller guards, Avata features downward binocular vision and TOF infrared sensing for even greater safety while flying. These sensors detect obstacles below and allow Avata to perform low altitude or indoor flight. There's also an emergency brake and hover feature, so if you get flustered or disorientated at any point while you're flying, you can tap the button and the drone will stop and hover within a few seconds. Packed inside here, we've also got DJI's flagship O3 Plus video transmission and two T2R omnidirectional antennas for unrivaled stability and responsiveness during flight. So you can really ensure that you're enjoying crisp and smooth real-time view in your goggles, even in environments with interference. Okay, so what else do you need to know about this FPV, so first person view drone from DJI? Well, firstly, it's a flight experience unlike those that you can get on the Mavic, Mini or Air series of drones. And that is because of these guys, the DJI FPV Goggles and the Motion Controller. These goggles are compact, ultra portable and equipped with micro OLED screens. The two HD micro LED screens offering you stunning clarity and a refresh rate of up to 100 Hz. So you can expect a smooth, full screen live feed in front of your eyes, creating a truly immersive flight experience. If you're a glasses wearer, then don't worry, as these goggles also offer a diopter adjustment from plus 2.0D to minus 8.0D. We've got foldable antenna and a lighter weight design, and from just briefly trying them on earlier, I can tell you that they're a lot more comfortable to wear than the previous goggles, and I can expect that to be true for longer periods of time as well. These goggles also feature a 2-hour battery life and fast charging. The DJI Motion Controller is designed purely for use with DJI's FPV drones, and it allows you to control the drone with just your natural hand motions. It fits nicely in the hand with all the buttons within easy reach and offers you a 5-hour battery life. If you want to see a more in-depth review on the Motion Controller, then hit the link that's in our description and check out our first look. If you'd like to find out any more information on the DJI Avata and its various combo kits, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. I will be back with a follow-up video where we will actually take the Avata flying, just when I've built up the confidence to hopefully not crash it. So stay tuned for that. But for now, that's it from me. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.